Hi, everyone. It's Alec Crawford, founder and CEO of Artificial Intelligence Risk Inc. And today I'm going to show you on our platform how easy it is to add a new API or programmatic interface. So in this case, the example I'm going to show you is getting earnings calls for stocks, how easy that is to do. And then in another video, I'll show you how to connect that into an agent so you can actually use it. Well, we start by becoming an admin here and going over to the custom APIs page, clicking on that, and then click add new API. I'm going to give it a name, earnings calls, sounds good. And then we need different types. In this case, I'm going to do a get instead of a post or a put because we're getting information. JSON instead of streaming. We don't need OAuth 2. We do need an API endpoint. So I'm going to use this API Ninja's earnings transcript. My function prompt, I'm going to describe when this should be used. So basically what I'm saying here is when a user asks to get an earnings call transcript, use this function. So pretty straightforward. Also giving a little information about calendar years. Now we need to add, in some cases, an API header. Now in this case, we do need to do this because we need to give it a token, basically, so it knows that we're licensed to use this data. And there's, you can see it says header name, header value. Now in this case, we don't need to add endpoint parameters, but we do need to add query parameters. So I'm going to add a new one here. And basically what we need to do, and these are the inputs effectively from the user or the model. And the first one is the year. What year is it getting the transcript for? And its description is the year for the transcript. It is required. Check. Now the next one is the ticker, or the stock ticker for the company. Description, ticker of the company. So you can see how easy this is. I'm just literally typing this stuff in. Check. And now the last one is the quarter. Which fiscal quarter is this for? The number of the quarter. That's important. So it's 1 through 4. It's also required. Check. Okay, that's done. Now I'm going to save it, and I can go back in there and test it. And I'm going to test it as 2024, Apple, fourth quarter, test, and it succeeded. All right, so that's how easy it is to add an API to the artificial intelligence risk platform.